Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Kickstream on your mobile phone, and also I'm going to explore some of the features that Kickstream Mobile have. So Kickstream Mobile is available on both Android and Apple. So first thing what I'm gonna do is log in because I already have an account for this Kickstream. Alright, so I've logged in, so I'm going to explore some of the features here. So as you can see at the top here, there are several categories of the stream you want to watch. Here you can see the recent top stream and the top live categories that has been going on here. Type of stream like just chatting, in real life, type of game, popular game like Fortnite, Call of Duty. If you click browse, you can browse more specific categories or channels you want to watch. In the following, you can see your favorite streamer or the stream that you recently been watching. In the search, you can search a specific streamer, and if you click the profile button here, you can see your own channel. If you are a streamer, you can also monitoring your stream account here. There's a chat if you want to chat, home. This is about your videos, your clips, and your categories. So I think that's pretty much for several features that Kickstream have. I hope this video might be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.